In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open and use private window with Tor in Brave browser. By the end, you'll be able to open a private window with Tor, browse in it, refresh the Tor connection for a site if needed, and close the session with your browsing data automatically cleared. First, open Brave browser. Once it's on screen, go to the top right and click the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. From the drop-down, select New Private Window with Tor. A new window opens specifically for Tor browsing. There's also a shortcut. Press Alt plus Shift plus N. This instantly opens a new private window with Tor without using the menu. Now, use the private window with Tor. At the top, you'll see a message that Brave is connecting to Tor. Wait for the connection to establish. This can take a few moments the first time. Don't navigate away yet. Just let it finish. Once the Tor connection is ready, browse normally in the Tor window. Click the address bar, type the website you want to visit, and press Enter. Pages will load through the Tor network inside this private window. For Tor settings, click the Tor icon on the left side of the address bar. This opens a small panel with options specific to Tor. If a site isn't loading correctly or you want a fresh route through the Tor network, choose New Tor Circuit for this site. The page will reload using a new Tor path. This affects only the current tab in this Tor window and is safe to use. When you're done, close the Tor session by closing the Tor window. Just close the entire window to end the session. All browsing data from that session is automatically cleared, including history, cookies, and site data from the Tor window, so nothing is kept after you close it. At this point, you've successfully opened a private window with Tor and Brave, waited for the connection, browsed, refreshed the Tor circuit when needed, and closed the session with your data cleared. Everything is set and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.